Meta just trained an AI model that can read your thoughts, not your face, not your text, not your typing, your private inner voice. Researchers at FAIR did this using brain signal patterns, then used AI to reconstruct the exact sentences people were thinking, with up to 85% accuracy. And here's the terrifying/beautiful part at the same time. They didn't even need words. The AI could decode pure meaning before language. Let that land for a second. If your mind says, "This doesn't feel safe," you're right. If your mind also says, "This could help people who cannot speak," also right. So this is where humanity is now. AI is no longer only predicting what we type. It's stepping inside the space before we speak. Meta is pitching this for medical purposes. Stroke patients, ALS patients, locked-in syndrome, people trapped inside their minds. But be honest, once this level of technology escapes the lab, do we really think governments, companies, or bad actors won't use it in ways we regret? This is why we need the conversation now, not after it's everywhere. Because AI reading your thoughts is no longer science fiction. It's the real-world timeline we are entering today. So I'll ask you, if your mind had subtitles, who do you trust to hold the remote?